Welcome ladies and gentlemen to number 24 Balerno Circle here in the heart of Gowanbrae. My name's David Vaughan and today we've got a gorgeous townhome residence on offer, including 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 separate bathrooms, multiple living zones and that low maintenance rear yard. Let's go take a wander. Well, there you have it ladies and gentlemen. What a fantastic low maintenance home we have on offer here today. Those of us looking at downsizing, investing, first home buyers, professional couples, it ticks absolutely all the boxes. We look forward to seeing you at one of our open for inspections. Of course, if you can't make the open house time, feel free to contact myself or Anthony Tayuk and we will get you through on a private basis. Once again, thanks for your time.